Wow guys, like, you know, I just got my new Infinix Note 10 Pro. It's crazy. I just wait to see how this phone will look like this trip, because the other one was sweet, but I'm just being careful. The thing where you're freaking for this phone be the 5000 mAh battery, because most times I like to do a whole lot of things on my phone and I don't want it to go low battery. I really thank you, Infinix, for this. Well, the features, it be a lot, a whole lot. After the come out, then I use it. You get a gaming CPU. It means bad man, if you play game. Has 4 cameras, a 6.95 FHD screen. What I talk, you just say I'm so marveled and I'm happy too much. If you go to the Infinix page, you know, on a page and check there. I just put my phone on right now. It's looking sweet. You can see XOS. Like a pretty girl. And I believe this is gonna also do good in the market. So my businessmen, my fans, everybody, try and grab one.
Infinix. The future is now.